Hello everybody, today in front of me I have OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you want to open up the Play Store. At the search bar just type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, you gotta click on this green install button and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. As you will see now, it does not take a lot of time, so we will simply wait. Now let's go ahead and open it. Here you want to tap on the blue continue button. Next, there are some options that the Opera browser has to be offered, and right now you are able to choose whether you want them to be enabled from the start, or you can always skip and leave their configuration for later. Me personally, I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Next, you can also either customize the permissions that you're going to grant to Opera, or you can just allow everything it needs, and from here just start using the browser. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.